Hey guys, we're here at the Philippine International Motor Show, and yung tanong I usually get is sulit ba bumili ng mga hybrid vehicles? And if you ask me, having owned one myself, okay siya. Kasi from our experience, it's like 45-50% less gas that we pay almost every month. So what used to be like 3,000 pesos per month or 3,000 pesos per week, ending nagiging 1,500 na lang para sa amin, at least sa household namin. So nandito tayo ngayon to look at all the different cars that are available. We were fortunately invited by our friends from Nissan. May ila-launch sila yung bagong X-Trail. Ang nakakatuwa doon, nung bata ako, yun yung kotse namin ng pamilya. So may pagka-nostalgia. And ang balita is, hybrid na yata itong bagong X-Trail na launch na. So we're super excited to check it out. So tara, samahan niyo ako, shopping tayo ng kotse. So we're here at Nissan. So nakita natin dito yung Nissan Terra. So naalala ko lang nung way younger, yung kotse ko nung college was yung Terrano. They're not the same. Para siyang spiritual successor, I guess. Pero it just reminded me a lot nung kotse ko nung college. Puti pa siya nun. Tapos medyo rugged pa yung itsura niya. So nakakatuwa lang. I think that's one of the most powerful things about brands that you know, is that they evoke more than just nice specs, but they also bring a lot of memories with you, especially if you've grown up with these brands and with these cars while you were young. So, yun lang, nakakaliw lang na yung kwento. So, isa pang kwento, when I was young, yung kotse naman ng lolo ko was a patrol. So, di hamak mas mukha na tong high-tech compared to before. At parang lumaki pa siya. Di ba? Parang ako lumusog ng konti. So yan, lumusog din siya. So, naalala ko lang before, sasakay kami dyan. Tapos, pag galing siya sa hearing, so Senate siya dati. Tapos makikisabay ako. Sa alala ko nakakatuwa kasi ang laki-laki ng car, luwag-luwag. Tapos ang ganda ng ride, kahit malaki siya, sobrang suwabe. So I'm sure through the years, it's gone even better. So, but yeah, memories. So, we just got back from the Nissan launch. Sobrang lupit, nandun yung bagong X-Trail, nandun yung bagong Kicks, nandun yung Navara Pro. Grabe, ang angas talaga ng kotse na yun pag tinanan nyo. Pero going back to the X-Trail and the Kicks, meron sila yung tinatawag nila na e-power technology. So compared to other hybrids, yung electricity, yun lang yung nagda-drive actually ng wheels. Yun yung nagpa-power ng paggalaw ng wheels. Yung ibang hybrid kasi, ginagamit nila both the engine and yung battery. Ito, yung engine, nag-generate lang ng electricity, which is kind of cool. So pag binaneho mo yun, dapat mas swabe siya, mas tahimik, tas hopefully mas efficient. So yun yung parang pinaka-key difference nung hybrid na to compared to other hybrids that we've seen in the past. Plus, of course, yung brand tsaka yung appeal lang talaga ng X-Trail, which was a huge brand or a huge talaga name lang before here in the Philippines. Nakakatuwang bumalik siya, di ba? Tapos yung Kicks, papakita ng mga editor ko yung footage. Ang cute niya. Parang yung sapatos ni Voltes 5. Oh my God, nakakatuwa. Isip ko nga bilan si Mrs. pero hindi naman na-unli pera ko eh. O pala sa mga nagtatanong magkano yung X-Trail, it's somewhere around 2.2 million. So, click nyo na yung yellow basket. Obviously, hindi siya pwede sa yellow basket. Pero if you take a look at the overall value that you're getting, pwede. Nga pala, shoutout kay Quicks na we bumped into here at the show, dito sa Nissan booth. Meron siya doon, sobrang laking, Ultratech ba tawag doon, Ray? Yung malaki? Basta yung malaki statue. Tapos meron din yung maliit, so apparently he did work with Nissan. He did a collaboration before, and I'm assuming he will do more in the future. So nakakatuwa lang to bump into one of our friends. Quicks, kung pinapanood mo to, kailangan mo mag-guest sa podcast. Right, message mo si Quicks. Shoutout din sa Nissan. They had a really fantastic presentation. Makikita mo talaga yung Japanese heritage tsaka roots niya lumalabas. Everything from the, parang yung may ink na pen, nakita mo yun, right? Na parang nagpe-painting. Ang ganda talaga ng dating eh. Tapos parang siyang anime na presentation ng mga cars, which is really cool. So shoutout sa kung sino man yung creative agency tsaka nag-isip nun. Sobrang ganda talaga ng pagkagawa. Pero yun, anyway, so yun, I just wanted to share with you guys what we saw here. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick, short vlog namin. And yeah, Pims, let's go!